What's going on, guys? It's Bobby here. Welcome back to Credit Wednesday, where every Wednesday we go over something about your credit. Now, I'm going to give you some advice that a lot of people will tell you the opposite. Well, who are you going to trust, them or me? So, I'm going to tell you that you need credit cards. Now, you can probably look up any financial guy on YouTube, anywhere, your family. They said, don't use credit cards. Well, here I am, Bobby Moore, telling you on January 31st, 2024, you need credit cards. Why do you need credit cards? Because one, it's going to build up your credit. And two, it's going to make you have some personal responsibility to pay your bills. So I don't know how you're paying for stuff right now, whether it be cash or your debit card, or maybe you're not paying anything and that's where you got bad credit. Who knows? What I want you to do is look at me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 credit cards here. I thought I had 9, but I canceled one. And I spend everything. Every single thing I buy, I put on a credit card. And no, the restraint part is, you're going to want to pay it off at the end of the month. So you're going to put on, say you got $2,000 worth of bills. You're going to put $2,000 on your credit card, and at the end of the month, you're going to pay it off. If I was to buy this Corvette right here for $59,995, I'm going to be putting it on a credit card, and then at the end of the month, I'm going to pay $60,000 off my credit card. You never want to carry a balance on them. Don't ever carry a balance. Now, a lot of people say you need to carry a balance to build up your credit. That's a lie. As long as you're making your payments and paying it off, that's counting as on-time payments, and it's actually helping your credit because you're keeping the usage low. Now, what most people would tell you to do is just use a debit card. You pay cash because then you can't go, overextend yourself. You can only spend what you have. This is where self-accountability comes into play, and don't spend more than you can afford. That's where people get tied up in credit cards. Is you get a card say you get a $5,000 credit limit on the card, which isn't much, but say you get a $5,000 credit limit, and you're like, oh my God, I got $5,000 I can spend. No, you don't. If you don't got $5,000 in your bank account that you were already going to spend anyways, you don't have $5,000. You're just going to spend what you're going to spend normally with, if that makes sense. So you're just going to continue things as normal, right? Go eat your Whataburger, go pay your rent, go pay your light bill, whatever you pay regularly, you're just going to put all that onto a credit card, and all that money is still in your bank account because you haven't spent it. And when your bill comes due, you're just going to use that money to pay your credit card bill. And then keep on doing that and doing that and doing that, and then get multiple credit cards and just divide your spending on different ones. Because the thing about credit is they change it to where now it's the amount of on-time payments help build your credit. So if you have a lot of credit cards, you're going to have a lot of on-time payments. Whereas if you just had one card and made payments perfect every month for a year, you're only going to make 12 on-time payments. But if you had 2 cards, made them both on time perfectly, that's going to be 24 payments. Even my dog is excited about this credit tip right here. She's so excited about these credit card hacks to build your credit, she's barking like crazy. Say, Boma, if you're going to buy a dog, put it on a credit card. Now, what's the bonus points of all this? Oh, bonus points as a coincidence. Because when you pay everything on a credit card, you're going to get bonus points. So, at the end of the year, or whenever you want to use it, you'll have enough built up points on your cards where you can travel for free, eat for free, pay for your statement for free. I think somebody's over there. And you get a whole bunch of rewards. So you may get enough reward points where you can buy that Corvette with just bonus points if you spent enough money. Now, once you build a relationship with these credit card companies, you're going to want to get a whole bunch of different ones from Chase, American Express, Citi, whoever. You're going to start building a relationship with them. So whenever you want to get a loan through them for a car or a house or what have you, they already have record of you. They already have record that you're a customer, that you pay on time. So you're just building relationships there. So eventually, it's going to help you out. But do not, I will repeat this, do not be stupid and go and spend more than you cannot afford to spend. So just don't do that. That's how people get messed up in credit. And don't lend your credit cards to anybody because they will rack up a whole bunch of debt on you. And you're the one that's obligated to pay it, not nobody else. So credit's the easy thing. What you need to get to is learn how to manage your money. And once you learn how to manage your money, you can manage your credit. So most people have bad credit because they don't know how to manage money. And if you don't know how to manage money, you can't manage your own credit. So you got to start somewhere, all right? Either start managing your credit or start managing your money. Now, ideally, you would manage your money first, so that way you can go back and start paying your debts that you owe. But if you don't have money right now, the best way to start managing is your credit. So, moral of the story is, get credit cards. Get as much as you can, pay on them as much as you can, don't get behind on them, don't carry balance, and throw your debit cards away. If that helped you, give me a message, comment, share it, who cares, just like it.